This video is also going to go over multiplying polynomials, but now we're going to talk about distributive property. Distributive property really is what's happening in each case, no matter which method I choose to solve the problem. It's just a different way to look at distributive property. So with distributive property, what you have to understand is that you are distributing. You know how to distribute. So let me kind of move that out of the way a little bit. You just need to know that you're distributing a couple things. So the first thing I'm going to distribute is I'm going to distribute the 2x. So you're going to go 2x times 3x. And I'm just going to write the step that I'm taking. So it's 2x times 3x. Then you're going to go 2x times negative 7. So positive 2x times negative 7. So you've distributed 2x to both of the terms in the second set of parentheses, the 3x and the 7. Just need to move this down. Okay, now you're going to distribute the 4. Because distributive property takes both of these and distributes to both of these. So now we're going to distribute 4 times 3x. So positive 4 times 3x. And then distribute the 4 times the negative 7. So positive 4 times negative 7. Now let's work out the math. So the math part for this, 2 times 3 is 6. X and x makes x to the second power. For the second set of numbers, 2 times negative 7 makes negative 14. X just stays x. For the third set of numbers, positive 4 times 3 is 12. X just carries down and stays x. And for the last two numbers, 4 times negative 7 is negative 28. What you should notice is that I have 4 arrows drawn, and I have 4 terms down here in my question. Once you get everything multiplied, you need to look at your answer to see if there are any like terms. Now a lot of the times your like terms will be next to each other with distributive property, but you still need to watch for them, as that doesn't always happen. 6x squared does not have a like term, so it's going to carry down. Negative 14 plus 12. If you need your calculator, feel free to type that in. Negative 14 plus 12. For some reason I can't hit the buttons right. Is negative 2. X carries down. It does not combine to make x squared. When you're adding, you don't change the exponents. Negative 28 does not have a like term, so it stays negative 28. And that is multiplying the polynomials using distributive property.